and this video is for Improvers Solo Salsa routine number 8, and this was taught in the classes in August 2020, our online Improvers Solo Salsa classes. So we actually picked a song, well I picked a song for everyone. It's called Akili Poo, and it has lots of nice musical breakdowns. So in the breakdowns I encouraged people to take some body movement, some improvisation, to do whatever they felt like, and then come back into the routine when the break's finished. Let me show you the routine. Like I said, I've already taught this for a few weeks, and if you want to look at all those videos, you need to look into either the LA Salsa plan or the Solo Salsa plan, because the videos are in there, and it was the August 2020 videos. Now, basic first, we have 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. We're going to do a Susie Q with a little kind of kick out at the end. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then very quickly half grapevine off to the other side. 5, 6, 7, and then end on the 8 with a little flick. Okay, a lot going on. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the 4 was more of a tap on the floor there, and then the 8 was a little bit more off the floor for a little flicky point into the corner. Okay, now next bar we're going to do half a grapevine coming back. 1, 2, 3. I then cross and corkscrew down into that plie position. Now I'm always talking about this plie position, okay, for a salsa spin prep. It's like that, okay. So I will have gone from here, the little kick. I go 1, 2, 3, down. All the weight's in my left leg. Stick my right leg out behind me on the 5, and then I used a little bit of body movement to gradually take my weight over. Okay, so I've got 6, 7, and 8 to get over there. Okay, so we go from here. I'm going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Improvise that as you want. You could do 6, 7, 8, or 6, 7, 8, or 6, 7, and 8. Up to you. Ribs, shoulders, whatever you feel like. Next step, small diamond step on the left foot. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay, no change of direction, just on the spot. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Let's do all of that together so far. One basic, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1. Oh, sorry, wrong one. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Next bar, little pressure step. Okay, so I'm going to do 1, 2, 3. Left, right, left. 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to drop down 4. Okay, so it's a little tap behind, but I made a big drama about it. Instead of just a little, oh, it's a tiny little tap. I was going bang. Okay, uncurl the feet. Ball of the foot is facing the ceiling, top of the toes facing down onto the floor. Jazz, just tap. Okay, so that's on the 4. What else did we have? I have to check on the list. So we had, oh yes, so we did 1, 2, 3, 4, kick, ball, change on the 5, 6, 7. Okay, let's just do that a little bit from the diamond shape. So we're going 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Lots of drama with the change of levels up and down. Okay, let's go again. Basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, my brain is going a little bit haywire. I've just spent 20 minutes recording the intermediate solo salsa routine number 8, so I was trying to get myself really confused there. Should have recorded these on 2 different days, my apologies. Let's finish it off, last little bit. Now we've done that kick ball change. I had a twist, twist preparation. Twist, twist, turn, close. Right, left for the preparation, and then turn into the right. Just one spin. Right, left, spin, close. Now, this was tricky. The next step is actually quite easy, but to break your spin, stop your momentum dead, and then get your left leg out for the next step was really hard. Twist, twist, turn, down, tap, tap, back, ball, change. So it's a double front tap, left, left, back, ball, change. But it was getting out of the twist, twist, spin. Next bar, you're like, oh wow, it's too quick, it's too quick. Wonders of pause, rewind, and slow down. If you're watching this, try and watch it in one of the media players. Try and do so, use one of those programs if you can, maybe make me a bit slower. Okay, but you can at least pause, rewind, go back a few minutes, and then redo it. Okay, so I'm gonna go into a half New York flare, right and left. So step and tap, that's 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I'm going to skate on my right foot, push my left out, and then skate onto my left foot, push my right out, okay? Now, because I'm going to be in the corner a little bit from that previous bar, okay? So I'll be over here, okay? So I'm going to go twist, twist, spin, close, tap, tap, back, ball, change, step, tap, skate back, and back. And then I'll be a little bit more into my center. Nearly there. Last bar is a toe heel slide, okay, for the whole bar of 8, but I'm doing it on the right foot. In our footwork syllabus, we always do it on the left, so why not do it on the right? Make it harder. In, out, in, tap, kick, down, slide, close. I do that with the count. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, close. When we do it on the left foot, we don't actually close and change the weight. We don't bring it in and just close. We actually bring it in and we step through, because we'll be doing it on the left foot in the normal lineup, and we go straight into the next basic on the 1. So on this version, because we're doing it on the right, you need to close on the 8 so that we can restart. Whole thing from the top, slowly with me counting. 1 basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Once more with my count, and then I'm going to put the music on and dance it with the music. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ooh, that's a lot of breath needed for that, isn't it? Me counting away and trying to dance at the same time. I have the utmost respect for these singers on the stage when they are dancing and singing at the same time. The entire show, how do they do that? Right.